We have long division. Our divisor is whole number, so everything is okay. Always divisor must be whole number. And divide then is decimal number. So we can do long division. How many times you can put 70 to 3? We cannot, so we take next digit. 35 divided by 70 we cannot do, so we have to divide 351 by 70. How many times we can put 70 to 351? 5 times. So on the top we write the answer, because we take whole number, so the answer should start exactly above 1. And now 5 times 70 is 350. And now we have to do subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, we don't have to write. What next? We have to copy decimal point exactly in the same column on the top, and we take next digit down. This is 4. So you have 4 and decimal point is after 5. 14 divided by 70 is 0. We cannot do division. So now we have 0 times 17 is 0. We do subtraction. 14 minus 0 is 14. What next? Because we don't finish division, our remainder is different than 0. What we can do now? We can always add extra zeros. Let's write 1 0 now, and we take the 0 down next. So we will have 140 divided by 70 is 2. And now 2 times 70 is 140. 140 minus 140 is 0. So we finish long division, and our solution is 5.02.